got a problem. I just took these out a little while ago. There's the stock bulb for the license plate in the Model S, and replaced it with this guy. It's an LED bulb, which seems like a great idea, right? I think these suck because they're all orange and they're not very bright. These are bright and they're white. Looks good with the rest of the car. Problem is, about a few months in, they're starting to flicker. So I wanted to review these and tell you how they're awesome. They do look good. We'll get to that later. But let's take a look and see why they're flickering, see if I can fix it. Maybe it's something I did before I say these are great. Okay, let's do it.
I don't know if you can see this, but I thought it was the whole bulb going in and out and flashing, but it looks like it's just parts of the bulb. So where I thought it might have been a connection issue, it looks like it might actually be the bulb itself.
Let's take these off and see what's going on inside here. If you're ever changing out the bulbs on your license plates, it's really easy. You probably just need some kind of a screwdriver. I got a stubby one and a regular one, and maybe these to help catch the bulb, some kind of pliers or needle nose. So I'm kind of worried that there's water inside here, but I don't really know because I've been using pressure washer to clean the car, and kind of thought maybe I'm just getting water in there. You know, the seal's not sealing very well. These were really cheap, and I thought that was just like, you know, they're all kind of cheap looking. But there's some random brand, so maybe I should have gone for the name brand on this one. You can see it's all dry. Now these things, the thing I don't really like about these is that you can see one side's got the LEDs on it, the other side does not. So it's like, it's not a 360 bulb. You got to make sure it's facing down. So there's a little bit of trial and error to get it to face the right way. Okay, so I put it in. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, not flashing at all. Well, unfortunately, these did not last very long. I have to go back and look at my Amazon shopping cart and see, but maybe they lasted, I said a few months. I feel like it hasn't been very long at all. They look amazing when you replace them because the camera looks a lot better. The color on it looks better. You can see a lot further with the camera, more detail. And then just outside the car, it looks way better when you have these on. But when they're flashing like this, it looks like junk. So I'm gonna put this back in and I'm gonna replace the other one and yeah, kind of figure out what we're gonna do here. Bottom line is, I think you should definitely replace your bulbs, those incandescents for the LEDs. It looks way better overall, as long as they're not flickering like these. So I'm gonna put the link in the description for these. Don't buy them, just make sure you avoid them. I think that they have some quality issues, obviously, with the bulbs. So I'll come back with an update in about a month or two whenever these start flickering again. Hopefully I can show you guys a better bulb that works more than a month or two. All right, hope you like this. Like, subscribe if this was helpful. Until next time, have a good one.